Okay, good morning, ladies and germs. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Tonight, I'm gonna read to you the readings for January 6, 7, and 8 because I'm gonna be busy for this upcoming week. Now, I'm gonna read to you. Oh, by the way, I'm not gonna upload this in one video, the 3 readings. I'm not gonna upload the 3 readings in one video. I'm gonna upload it separately, scheduled. Okay, so you don't have you don't have to worry about it, the schedule or the readings. All right, I'm gonna read to you January 6. Where, who, what, and why. A person who doesn't know what the universe is doesn't know where they are. A person who doesn't know their purpose in life doesn't know who they are or what the universe is. A person who doesn't know any one of these things doesn't know why they are here. So what to make of people who seek or avoid the praise of those who have no knowledge of where or who they are? Marcus Aurelius on Meditations. The late comedian Mitch Hedberg had a funny story. He told in his act. Oh, I'm sorry. The late comedian Mitch Hedberg, let me repeat it. The late comedian Mitch Hedberg had a funny story he told in his act. Sitting down for an on-air interview, a radio DJ asked him, and I quote, "So, who are you?" End quote. In that moment, he had to think, is this guy really deep, or did I drive to the wrong station? How often are we asked a simple question like, who are you? Or what do you do? Or where are you from? Considering it a superficial question, if we even consider it at all. Don't even bother with more than a superficial answer. But gun to their head, most people couldn't give much in the way of a substantive answer. Could you? Have you taken the time to get clarity about who you are and what you stand for? Or are you too busy chasing unimportant things, mimicking the wrong influences, and following disappointment or unfulfilling or non-existent paths? That's January 6th. Now, my realization for this is you can't know where you are or what your purpose is if you do not know yourself. First and foremost, self-awareness and self-mastery is the key. Before you master yourself, you have to know yourself, because if you do not know yourself and you just want to master yourself, are you stupid? You don't know who you want to master or what you want to master because you don't know yourself. First and foremost, if you know what your purpose is, if you know what your life calling is, if you know what your vocation is or your ikigai, the very first thing, oh yeah, that's my dad speaking. For me, the best, the way I thought, the way I figured out my life's purpose, my life's calling is by knowing myself first. I started reading books about self-development. I started asking myself questions from those books, who I really am. You know, the questions regarding existential crisis, questioning your purpose. Alright, ladies and germs, sorry for... I'm not feeling well today. I'm not feeling well. Sorry for the gloomy face. I'll try to fix this as soon as possible because I lack sleep. Yeah, that's the essential. Yeah, that's it for today. For January 6th.